first order for today. It is a kitchen table cafe. $12.75 going under 5 miles. It is very frosty and slidey out today, so we shall see how today goes. Thank you. Tell me why that was $12.75 base pay, 0 tip. Next order is for Starbucks, $14.75 going just about 5 miles. Why do I feel like there's a base pay bug on DoorDash right now? Because these orders are not normal. Oh, this place is packed. Yeah, this might be a bit of a wait now that I'm thinking about it. Thank you. You too.
I'm working on it right now.
He's working on that.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I got very lucky. I've never been to the Starbucks before, but it's on a more industrial side of town and it's still pretty early, so it was bound to be super packed. All right, there's a $2 tip on that one. So for some reason, base pay is $12.75 at the moment instead of $2.75. Anyways, my next order is Carl's Jr., $9 and some change going like 3 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Morning.
Morning.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Got my next order while I was dropping that off. This one's for a different Starbucks. I believe it said $10 and some change going about 4 miles. Okay, this one has about 3 cars in the parking lot compared to the other one that had like 20.
Pick up on the left.
So this might be a little bit easier. Hello.
Right here.
Perfect, thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You as well. I've got my next order. It is a McDonald's. $9 going about 4 miles.
Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. All right, next order up is for Victor Rico's. This one is $9.75 going just under 6 miles.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. 1 burrito, huh? Got my next order as I was pulling out of there. To shop and deliver for PetSmart. $10 going about 5 miles. Only 1 item. All right, next order up is a shop and deliver for some alcohol. $10.50 going 6.5 miles. 2 items.
It's not there either. Sorry about that wild
You're
goose
good.
chase, but
Like your sweater.
Thank you. Sorry, I was on a work call.
All good.
And then we get snow next week, right?
Well, yeah, just in time for
Christmas.
Christmas, right? Just scribble on that line for me.
There you go.
Good enough for me.
That's cool. What is that little camera you have?
Just got my next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $14 and some change going about 5 miles. 4 items.
can go there.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, nice.
Here's those.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day. All right, next order up is for Victoricos. This one is $15.25 going 7 miles. Pretty high mileage, but it's more than $2 per mile, so I'm just gonna take it. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Your destination is on the right.
This might be up ahead, but I can't see the numbers, so I'm just gonna get out and walk. That was another $12.75 base pay order. What is going on today? I mean, I'm not complaining whatsoever. I'm just very confused. All right, next order up is a Panda Express. This one is inside the mall, which I usually try to avoid, but I can already tell this is one of the $12.75 base pay orders, considering it is $20.75. I don't even remember the mileage. I think it was like 6 or 7. Thank you. Hello. I'm just dropping off for 8. See, what I don't understand is why only some orders are getting that base pay. I'm gonna start driving very slowly towards home, just in case I get another order. Current time is 12:21. Current total is 143. I don't know what's going on at DoorDash headquarters, but someone's getting fired for that base pay glitch. Anyways, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. And yeah, bye.